Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the sub-series C# Owner-Draw Combobox. In this video, we will talk about the Owner-Draw Combobox example, and we will also look at the form design to see the control names. In the last video, we learned about the basics of Owner-Draw control. So this will be our Windows form, and in the Windows form here you will be seeing a Owner-Draw combo box. So this is not a default combo box. All the drawings are performed by the form, not by the combo box class. So here you can see the following drawing attributes. One is the color tile. Here, say for example, this is the blue tile. This one is the purple tile. So you will see color tile as well as the color text, and then here you will be seeing a bounding rectangle to denote what is the currently selected item. So when you move your mouse cursor, this bounding rectangle will change. So this is the bounding rectangle which appears in red color. So user can visually see what is the color. Say for example, if they pick light sea green, before applying the color itself, they know how light sea green looks by looking at the color type. Alright, once they pick the color, say here in this example, user picked the chocolate color. After that, when they start typing the text in the multi-line text box control, the color appears in the selected color. I mean, the text appears in the selected color. So that's what we are going to do. Here, the major task is drawing this combo box, and this drawing is performed by the form. Here form performs the drawing, and form is the owner of this combo box. Why? Because a form houses this combo box, or form is the container for this combo box. So since the form takes the responsibility of drawing the tile and all this text, we can say this combo box is a owner-drawn combo box. Now let's go to the demo. So this is our Windows form, and there is a label, and we placed the label text as pick a color. After that, we have a combo box, and we named this as Owner-D combo box. And this is where you type the item, but in this example, we are going to populate the item at runtime. And this is the important property, indicates whether the code or the operating system will handle drawing of elements in the list. So draw mode. Here we selected the draw mode as Owner-Draw fixed. There are other modes also, Owner-Draw variable and normal. By default, normal is the combo box drawing mode. That means the combo box class itself performs the drawing. Here we are choosing Owner-Draw fixed as the drawing mode. That means Owner-Draw means the form will perform combo box drawing. Fixed and variable we will learn in the next video when we proceed further. That's all about the form design. Here if you see, we have a multi-line text box, txt notepad. Once you place a normal text box, so place a normal text box here. After that, you can set multi-line property to true, then apt for the vertical scroll bar. So now if I run this, there is nothing here in the combo box. Since we apted for the vertical scroll bar, you will see the vertical scroll bar appears when you start typing the text here. And after implementing this Owner-Draw Combobox, we will set the forecolor for this multi-line text box control, so that whatever you type, that will appear in the color that is picked in the combo box. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.